Alright then, yeah my people, Jah people, blessed love, give her thanks, many thanks. Alright, Daniel Marshall there upon the infrastructure work. As the them can say, me there upon my own project, my people. Me about to kick off this vlog because I'm going to do a vlog upon the home project since a week start. We've been out on the road doing some other things and getting a song ready. The song is ready. We're going to do some work on the home project and some other work. Me nah do no concrete work today. We still have the column round about for line up. Alright, and the cantilever. But them they can rest for now. Alright. Me reach a good distance, a good far away right now. And they are them done now. Me nah go on like say, you know me I say? Just stand my ground. So anyway, forward in, let me show the item how I deal with them, how I go deal with that, you know, see. Alright, so we are dealing with some of the electrical work because the electrician, we pay the electrician for set up him thing and set up my house and thing, and him not really do all that a good job like this now. You see, this what them call is trunking. Alright, if the item see the trunking go right up at top there. Alright, come back as well. You see that black spot there, right? See there? A black spot there. The them can see it. Right there, so. That's where the pipeline, the conduit pipeline come down right in there. But we couldn't get through the cards, the electrical cards, our wiring through it. Because throughout the giants them stay kinda difficult. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go up there. I'm going to open it. I'm going to send the wire down through it from there, so come down here, so and move this. So I can have the switch in the box. Alright? Alright, I'm going to come back over here, so. And this light. Alright, so I'm going to set that up. I need some little more concrete tonight. I'm going to block that out. This one over there, so. You see that? Yeah, alright. See that? Right there, so I'm going to block that out. Alright. I'm going to find a different light to put over that side. Anyway. Or you can have a table lamp, whatever, over there. See? But this light, I want this light to be separate because it hook up to this one. I'm going to want to just turn on one switch and turn on the two light. Because at the bedroom, I need so much roof light tonight. One good thing we need in the bedroom right now is some table lamps. Alright, we want to put them maybe one over this or whatever. See, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to put on these covering. What them call them? I'm going to put on these covering. Some of them at least, you know, we might not get everything complete today, but that's where I start on. Alright. I just a primer paint, so when you're ready to put on the finishing paint, you can go ahead and take them off back and put on the final coat. Alright, we're not reach this yet because we still have we have doors to put on and floor to put in, tiles, I mean. And a one window. So before that delay, we start put on some already. So and we should have everyone around it because I'm sure knows I buy them. At least me sure knows the electrician buy them because I gave him the money and he really did buy them. So me give a thanks to that. So further delay, hopes that the item been doing good. Me not so good, but good, very good. Alright, so really appreciate all the help and everything, and you know, just continue to dead with me and bear with me for a little bit. Alright, so I could set up to deal with this because I deal with this one first and then I deal with that one, mix up some concrete and these now. See like how it's there, there them can see it. I'm going to put some more concrete tonight to line it around so you know, see a hollow in the concrete or in the slab. Alright? Yeah, man. So hanging at the balance is a work for getting these things. So I'm started now. All right, bless up. When you make sure when you're doing these things, if you're doing them by yourself, or if you're having a mason render in the wall after after you put in the electrical paneling and conduit pipes and everything, try to make sure that they don't use the concrete and block up too much around it. You have to pay very good attention to it. Because if that happens, which is what some of what happening to me right now, you're gonna have a whole heap of difficult problem to set it back in. Because look here, come here. See these, none of the them can see. Yeah, them suppose I can see. Yeah. See these housing right here, sir? These, where the screws going on, yeah, it have to be cleared. See? And with some of what happening with these lightings up here, sir, the screw hole them block up. And the thing is, make sure take out the screws them. Yeah, take out the screws them out of them, yeah, especially. Because when the screws left in it and it start it start rust, can't get it out, it's hard to get it out, and you need a space. Or else you have a difficult time modifying that space to get the screws to hold up the lighting in there. Because sometimes we want to put chandelier, sometimes we want to put, well, the chandelier man can screw up on some different thing, but sometimes we want to put some different light up there. We need the space, the rigid space to screw up, to hold it, whatever in it. Wow, may I tell you, it's a task. See? So now make sure one the item, it looks simple. It's simple. Alright, yeah my people, so we get this switch set up. Alright, we got up there hook up. Alright, so until we need is just some plastering or whatever to block that out, make it look nice. Alright, that is to come and finish up around these edge. Alright, and we got this one set up. Alright, we didn't bother use a double one here because these two kind of set separately away. And me that fear work it away for fix it, to get it right. Alright, here so now I'm gonna just grout it out and I'm ready. Finish out, cut that out. Alright, so that's a done deal. We have this one set up already from the other day. And we have that one set up over there, so basically the bathroom is done. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get the bedroom done now. So I'm gonna work on this one. Alright. We still have up here to fix. It's a work we do up here, so because I'm go up on it already, but I'll go up on it again to get it fixed. Taking it off of that switch over there, so because I don't want one switch to turn on two light and them something they seeing. We still have this one for cover, so I'll cover it. The electrician did me a bad job because all these wires, I can't get the paneling over it unless I go in it and cut it here, so and get the wire for go down here. So maybe I have to put a piece of conduit pipe in it. If I stop it here, so then I just run the conduit pipe down in it, because the wires that inside of this now, you don't want the wires touch on these metal in here, so and grounds out, so it might cause it. So this is why the reason why the electrician leave it like this, but him could have do a better job because him could have cut it here and run it down, but you don't know. Alright, so that and that, I'm gonna go do that one over there, so same way. Alright, so I'm gonna balance with people. Bless up. Yeah, my people, and as me there I saw work and I think, you know, because me I think about the landscape, you know, our people, Jamaican people, you know, upon the real basis. And me tell you them what I call some of the brutal killing and murdering around us. It's the aggression, the aggressfulness, the bragful and the boastfulness. Only the humble. See, that's why I see them say the humblest calf suck the most milk. You know, yeah, at the humblest youth, them make it through on, you know. Because you know, when the aggression, when you come with the aggressiveness and your bullyism and your brutefulness, them just humble themselves. Even when them know so them right, them just humble themselves because what? Let me tell you something. Do not argue. Do not quarrel, no cuss. When them start cuss and quarrel, just stop. If you talk the truth and it causes a quarrel and an argument, just stop. No bother with it, left with this. Make them win. Be the humblest around here. And spare yourself and spare your life. They will love you more than if you stand up on a hog and a quarrel and a talk and tell them the truth. Because some people definitely don't want to hear the truth from you, you know, and they know the truth, you know, but they never give you no rights for that, you know. They never make you feel like you're somebody, you know, or feel like you're right, you know, anyway, you know. No. But when you're humble now and be yourself and give it up, then them will come down off of the hype and the adrenaline. And if fearness, you know, them heart, them mind say, yeah, man, you know, see the right still, but I just saw the thing going on. May I tell you, I'm not joking, them thing they cause some of the brutal murder around us, you know, because the first thing I'm gonna pray because of the argument and the quarrel, and you want to win a tongue tie, a tongue battle, a tongue war. You see me? And you now win. I just them thing they go hard, you know. Yeah, me used to do it. I used to win because I know I'm right in many ways. See, but you know, I defend myself. Yeah. So, them thing they are going here. Alright, bless him. I could try to or something now. Alright. I said I can't leave it alone. Yeah, man, deadly people. It's a joke. Don't take it for no joke. I'm gonna try to use this chisel to cut it. Them children now, we're coming up slow. Them say, youth, you reach far on the home project. Neil Marshall, on the infrastructure. Work, know what life is worth. Marshall, Daniel Marshall, on the infrastructure. See to my people, yeah, them can look. Remember to take these out. When you're putting in this light panel in for the bulbs, ceiling bulbs and fans and stuff like that, take out these screws. Take them out and put them in a pan. And keep them secure so you can't use them, but because you are going to see what going on, you know. These notches, if you use a screwdriver to pull it out, then block up with concrete. And it kind of, because the space so small, you can't get it out so easy. And then it rusts around here, so and the rust lock it in. Charger. Alright, I have to do the whole of them I have to do, you know, because these, I mean putting these, but I never pay attention because it's not a true electrician, means not a real electrician, it's a carpenter, builder, which I not think about them things, yeah, but an electrician should know. I say I can pop out that one and see it. Yeah, you're not the worst. You're not the worst. No, you're not the worst. You're not the worst. Although you may not be the worst or the best I could find, there's one thing for sure, you were on my mind. I could go around the town and then come back around, and you could always be found, though you never let me down. No one got to love you, girl, when no one really wants you, girl. I got to let you rule my world. Anything that you want, baby girl. I give you diamond, rubies, and pearl. I'll fly you up in the sky, yes, and get you a bird. Give you a son, yes, and get me a girl. Get you a nice resident. May not be the worst or the best I could find, but there is one thing for sure, you were always around. I could go around the town and then come back around, and you could always be found, though you never let me down. Things are manifest now from the grassroots. No, me really got to tell you the truth. Never really know say that you look so cute. I mean, never was so much in love with you, but you forced me, baby girl, for you accept the truth. Keep a tight schedule, no you no lose. When me check it out, wise you no fool. And me get to realize you're the best package. No, you may not be the worst, best I could find. No, you know not be the worst, or the best I could find. And you're always around, you were on my mind all the time, all the time, all the time, all the time. You're always around. Although you may not be the worst or the best I could find, but there is one thing for sure, you were always around. I could go around the town. Things are manifest now from the grassroots. No, me really got to tell you the truth. Never really know say that you look so cute, but me have to face the fact, baby girl, you're the truth. Oh, da 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 da. All right, now my people, blessed love. All right, see, we got all back, we got wires them hook up back. And we got the conduit pipes in there. Conduit pipe in there. That is this is see. You see. You just that you don't want to rub, you don't want to wire them rub on metal. Saying, so I go ahead and screw it up back now and get the cover on it. Yeah. And if anything, we almost come to the end of a great day, my people, people. Yeah, we give thanks same way. For life, everything done now. Just want to say thank them for watching, you see? Yeah. And just make sure you give the video a like before you leave the channel. Yeah, man. I'm not gonna deal with the concrete part right now. But tomorrow we just go ahead and mix up some concrete. Then yeah, alright, see then our people. Yeah, take a look. So tomorrow I might just go ahead and mix up some concrete. Finish off one or two of them columns there. And just use the rest side and block up in here so and do up top. See? But for now my people, I hate that for the day, you know. Yeah. I'm gonna put on a pot, cook some food yeah. Tomorrow I tackle the next one there so. See? Yeah man. Tomorrow I tackle that. Alright, bless her.